Hello, how you doing? You're looking at a really beautiful, easy chicken and rice. Middle Eastern in style and flavors, absolutely delicious, doesn't take long. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in this bowl I've got 6 chicken legs, skin on and bone in. That's 1 kg or just like 2 pound, just over 2 pound. What we're going to do is we're going to hit it with a little bit of salt. We're going to do the same with some black pepper. About a teaspoon of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder for anyone interested, and the same turmeric. Got some oil here. I'm using a bit of olive oil. You don't need much, just a little bit on there to help it kind of glue together. Just going to get my glove on. I'm going to get in there and give that a little mix. Okay, so I've got my pan here. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in our chicken that we've now coated. The heat's not on yet. We're not going to get any of the marination here. Now we're going to put the heat on, but we're going to put it on under medium, so not that high. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for about 4 minutes aside. So this chicken is not cooked all the way through, of course, yet, but we've got some lovely colour, and it certainly has a head start, doesn't it? Okay, we're going to add quite a few pieces now. So look, cinnamon, nice piece there. Dried chili. I've got some green cardamom here, 6 of them. About a teaspoon of dried thyme. 2 teaspoons black pepper corns, that is. 2 cups of onion. And a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now if you wanted, you could get some dried black lime in here, some bay leaf, some cloves. You can kind of muck around with it somewhat. Just let this go for about 3 or 4 minutes now. Just toss in the onions and spices in. And then we're going to add some, well, I'm using water, you could use stock if you want. But I'm just going for straight cold water. There's 1 litre of water here. So just keep it on that below medium. We're not going crazy with this one. Let this go now for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to just take the chicken out for a moment. So just get it out and set it to one side. And then I've got here 4 cups of basmati rice. And half a litre more of water, or stock if you want, but water's fine. Then we're going to place the chicken back on the top here. We're going to get a lid on this, and again, staying on this kind of medium heat, medium-ish heat. We're going to let it go for about 10 minutes. Okay, so off goes the heat, and off comes the lid, the moment of truth. And that's looking absolutely beautiful. We've got some really delicious flavoured rice there with our chicken. Very simply, a little bit of cilantro or coriander chopped on the top. You could use parsley if you want. Stick that in the middle of the table, and off you go. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.